and speed. B is for bear, strong and bold, prowling through the woods. C is for cat, sleek and sly, with whiskers twitching in delight. D is for dog, loyal and true, wagging its tail with joy. Oh, E is for elephant, mighty and wise, trumpeting in the wild. F is for fox, clever and quick, slipping through the shadows. G is for giraffe, tall and gentle, reaching high in the trees. H is for hippo, heavy and calm, splashing through the river. I is for iguana, cool and green, sunning on a rock. J is for jaguar, fierce and swift, blending in with the jungle. Kangaroo, hopping with power across the open plains. L is for lion, the king of the pride, roaring with might. M is for monkey, playful and cheeky, swinging from the trees. N is for narwhal, the unicorn of the sea, gliding through the waves. O is for ocelot, sleek and spotted, a shadow in the night. Penguin, dressed in black and white, waddling through the snow. Q is for quokka with a smile so bright, hopping through the bush. R is for rabbit, soft and quick, dashing through the meadow. S is for snake, coiling and winding, sliding through the grass. T is for tiger with stripes of fire, prowling through the jungle. U is for Uriel, with curling horns, standing tall on rocky slopes. V is for bucking and nimble and light, racing across the Andes. W is for wolf, wild and wise, howling to the moon. X is for Cirrus, swift and small,